Hey YouTube fam! Welcome back to Health Matters Original, where we're all about living our best, healthiest lives. Today, we're diving into a topic that's essential for everyone, from couch potatoes to fitness enthusiasts, because who doesn't want legs and feet that feel like $1,000,000? I've got the inside scoop on 12 superfoods that are going to give your circulation a boost and have you grooving in no time. Stick around. You won't want to miss this. Dark chocolate. Unleash the power of flavonoids found in dark chocolate. Indulge in a small piece, 70% cocoa or higher, to enhance blood flow and satisfy your sweet tooth. 2. Citrus Symphony. Oranges, grapefruits, and lemons are packed with vitamin C, which strengthens blood vessel walls. Start your day with a burst of citrusy goodness. 3. Berry Bliss. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are rich in antioxidants that promote healthy blood circulation. Throw them into your morning yogurt or snack on them guilt-free. 4. Avocado Adventure. Avocados are not only trendy but also loaded with monounsaturated fats that support heart health. Spread it on whole grain toast for a tasty treat. 5. Leafy greens galore. Spinach, kale, and other leafy greens are high in nitrates, which help dilate blood vessels. Add them to your salads or blend them into a refreshing green smoothie. 6. Spicy jalapeno. Jazz. Spice things up with jalapenos. Capsaicin, the compound responsible for their heat, may improve circulation. Add a kick to your dishes for a fiery boost. 7. Nuts and seeds. Extravaganza. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, promoting heart health and improving blood flow. Snack on a handful for a crunchy delight. 8. Pomegranate Paradise. Pomegranates are like little bursts of joy for your arteries. Their antioxidants stimulate nitric oxide production, relaxing blood vessels. Sprinkle those ruby-like seeds on salads or enjoy them on their own. 9. Turmeric Tonic. Embrace the anti-inflammatory power of turmeric. Add it to your dishes or enjoy a comforting cup of turmeric tea for an extra circulation boost. 10. Garlic Gala. Garlic isn't just for keeping vampires away, it also helps in widening blood vessels. Incorporate garlic into your meals for a flavorful kick. 11. Olive oil. Elegance. Opt for extra virgin olive oil to enhance blood vessel function. Drizzle it on salads or use it as a dip for your whole grain bread. 12. Watermelon Wonder. Hydration is key, and water-rich fruits like watermelon can keep you not only refreshed, but also support optimal blood flow. Snack on juicy watermelon slices for a hydrating treat. Remember, it's not just about what you eat, but also about staying active and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. So, put on your favorite tunes, dance a little, and let these foods work their magic on your legs and feet. Cheers to happy and healthy circulation.